What you're hearing is allegedly a recording of hell, which was captured by Russian scientists when they lowered a microphone into a 7.5 mile deep borehole on the Kola Peninsula in late 1980s. According to the story, a team of Russian scientists allegedly drilled the deepest hole in the world, known as the Kola Super Deep Borehole. Drilling began in 1970, and by 1979, it was said to be the deepest man-made hole in history. A number of boreholes measuring 23 centimeters in diameter branched out from a central hole, and in 1989, one of these boreholes reached a depth of over 7.5 miles into the Earth's crust, making it the deepest human-made hole on Earth, and it remains so as of 2024.